Hi everyone! Today I want to show you some simple tips of how you can keep your pantry more organized and more functional using just some simple containers and ways that you can label them. So let me start with these. This is a set that I've had for probably almost 10 years. I like them. They are made out of plastic. I know I'm trying to switch more to glass, but the plastic is more lightweight, and it is an airtight container, and I love that you can see what it is from every angle. In general, I do empty out my food when I bring them home because I might buy multiple boxes of the same food. So like my kids' snacks, these little cheese crackers, big containers of chia seeds, which I put in everything. And so sometimes I have chia seeds and poppy seeds. In that case, I definitely need a label. So a long time ago, when I first started doing organizing, I was very much into the pretty labels. So I bought these. It's like a chalkboard paper, and it comes with a chalk marker. So this was a really nice way, and I liked how it looked on my shelves. But over time, I've also discovered that I like the look of just using the chalk marker right on the glass. So here is a glass container which used to hold my pasta sauce. And I always tell people you don't have to go out and buy new containers. You know, if you want to repurpose, and I love repurposing, just use your pasta sauce containers, because anytime when you have two, now you have a set. And it's great. You know, if you are into arts and crafts, you can paint the lids and make it match the color of your kitchen. If not, I think they work just fine the way it is. Just make sure that your container is very dry, completely dry, before you put the food in there. So let me show you, other than using a chalk marker right on the glass, sometimes I'll just use a little piece of clear tape and a Sharpie or any kind of marker, and I just put the tape right on top. Where is it? This one. So I put the tape on top and I write with my Sharpie, so then when I'm done I can just easily peel off the tape, and you know, you can switch the content to something else. Sometimes I'll use glass jars for jam. These are great, a little bit smaller, so now you have two different sizes. And the glass jars I also will use to put, if I slice a lemon or a lime and I need to keep half of it, or garlic after I've peeled them, I use this jar and I keep it in my fridge so it doesn't dry out and the smell doesn't affect the other food in my fridge. So, you know, I like putting these jars where I can see them and it's very easily identifiable what's inside, and it keeps the food airtight, so it makes them last longer. The chalk marker is really great. Next time I'll show you other ways that I use the chalk marker in other parts of the home to help you with your organization. But I hope you enjoyed our little tip today, and I will see you next time.